good morning children. Teacher Diane here. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. In this video, we are going to talk about the Unit 5 Air, Sea, Paper, Airplanes. Please, open your book at page 56 and 57. The questions are, what is the person holding? They are holding a remote control. Number 2. What is it used for? It's used to drive a small vehicle. Number 3. What kind of smartphones do? Smartphones can be used on remote controls too. Now, what do you see in this picture? I see a boy playing. What is the boy holding? He's holding a paper airplane. Have you ever played with something like this? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. What is the imperative? The imperative is a sentence that is used for various purposes. For example, fold a piece of paper. This is a paper fold like this. What do you see? I see triangles. It's time to say goodbye. See you the next class, guys. Bye bye. I love you.